Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3 on the topic of filling the blanks and short question. I am repeating, our today's topic is fill in the blanks and short question from chapter 8. This is our 5th lecture and 4th SW. I am repeating again, this is our 5th lecture and 4th SW. Students, in our earlier class, we have read the text. I hope you read the text at home. And today we'll do FB and SQ 1, 2. We'll start with filling the blanks. Our first filling the blanks is the biggest continent is dash. Can you remember which one is the biggest continent? Come to lesson 1. Look this sentence. The biggest continent is Asia and the smallest is Australia. Here you find the answer. The biggest continent is Asia and our question is the biggest continent is gap. So in the gap the answer will be Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. The biggest continent is Asia. Number 2, a very large sea is called and dash. We have learned in the lesson 2. A very large area with saline water larger than a sea is called an ocean. Look here. In the definition of ocean, we find the answer. So, a very large sea is called an ocean. In the gap, the word will be ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. A very large sea is called an ocean. In number 3, there are dash oceans in the earth. Can you say how many oceans are there in the earth? Yes, there are 5 oceans. In lesson 2, we find the answer. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So, in the gap, we have to write 5 oceans. F-I-V-E. 5. There are 5 oceans in the earth. Number 4, 1/4 of the earth is dash. Come to lesson 1. 1/4 of the earth is land and 3/4 is water. So, water is 3/4 and land is 1/4. So, if you find the answer, you have to come lesson 1. In this line, you will find the answer. So, 1/4 of the earth is land. So, in the gap, you have to write land. L-A-N-D. Land. 1/4 of the earth is land. I am saying this again. The biggest continent is Asia. A very large sea is called an ocean. There are 5 oceans in the earth. 1/4 of the earth is land. Now students will learn SQ1. The question is, how many continents are there? What are they? Come to lesson 1, we find the answer here. How many continents? There are 7 continents and here you find the names of the continents. The answer you can write like this. There are 7 continents in the world. I am saying again, there are 7 continents in the world. They are, now you will write the names. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Say with me one more time that there are 7 continents in the world. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and last one Antarctica. Now we'll learn SQ2. How many oceans are there? What are they? Answer is, look here. This is the answer of your question. We know how many oceans are there. There are 5 oceans and here are the names. So you can write like this. A very large sea is called an ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and last one Southern Ocean. Students, I am saying the answer again. A very large sea is called an ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Students, I have given true false as your homework. I am saying again, your homework will be true false from chapter 8. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Submit your SW copies on every Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies and can collect previous copies on next Sunday. You will get your city, diary, and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.